Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is making some progress today, not to the downside, but instead a little bit to the upside. That's why I gave you earlier today this sort of resistance area, which would be relevant for the fourth wave. And we're looking at this currently the top here, where price topped on the 29th of May. We're looking at that as a B wave top, and that Ethereum could be coming down now in a C wave. Suggested to you that this might be an unfolding impulse to the downside with a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, now a wave 4. I gave you resistance for that area, and the wave 5 still to come. Now, price has certainly reacted to the resistance area, but not in a major way. Bitcoin's reaction was a bit stronger. Bitcoin also rallied directly into resistance and reacted quite strongly. Ethereum did rally into resistance, did respect the 50% retracement. We see a little bit of a reaction. Now, I'm thinking that this count needs to be a little bit revised, otherwise it doesn't make sense anymore. The reason is we have a slight overlap with wave 1 and wave 4. Now, that's not necessarily a major problem in crypto, but it still is not really adhering to the Elliott Wave rules, so we want to actually take that out here. It's still respected resistance though, and it's very choppy. So the best way, in my opinion, how this can unfold is as an ending diagonal. We love diagonals, don't we? I mean, they are just very messy. Okay, at the moment there are plenty of diagonals in the crypto space. What would be the difference? Well, let me take actually the resistance from yesterday out, and I leave today's relevant resistance on the chart. But the thing is that obviously wave 1 came down. You could interpret that as a corrective structure, an ABC. That would make sense in light of the latest structure, which isn't really impulsive to the downside. So I might consider this as an A wave. And we're now moving in some kind of a B wave here, and then a C wave to the downside. At least I'm going to follow that. Diagonal patterns morph and change, but this allows for a deeper drop into the area around 1660. But obviously it's not really following through yet. Yes, it's coming down, but it's not really super bearish at this stage. Very stubborn. Very corrective on the way down as well, because really at the moment we only have 3 waves down. But again, that all would confirm the idea of a diagonal, which is a bit messy. You know, you get a lot of overlaps, it's slow, and yeah, let's see if it's following through. So if we have here the AB currently in the making of wave 3, then we can also calculate a target for that wave C of 3. In that we take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave. Now again, that can still push a bit higher, but let's measure it. And then we're looking at, first of all, 1804 as the 1-to-1 ratio, and then 1757 as the 1.618 extension of wave C of 3. So these would all be common targets now here for the completion of the C wave of 3 to basically 1804 and 1757. Levels of interest certainly worth watching. Besides that, what can be done, you can add a trend line to your chart as well. We have 3 touch points on the way down, maybe even some more. Have a bit of a trend line there, which might indicate when this sort of downtrend is over. It actually forms a nice channel as well. Not sure how well it's going to adhere to the channel, but certainly something worth watching as well. Corrective price channel to the downside. And yeah, eventually it should head down further. Can I rule out that we do short-term something more bullish? No, unfortunately not. It is very messy price action. And to be honest, Ethereum is holding better than Bitcoin at the moment. And therefore I suggested to you in the previous video as well that unless Ethereum breaks really below 1741, that low of the 12th of May, it can still extend higher here in a B wave, okay? Unfortunately, and that would could be quite an aggressive move that might take us close to $2,000. So around about the $2,000 mark is the next major resistance anyway. Yeah, but that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.